If you don't like boring stories but still love adventures, then stick around for a giggle. Once upon a time, in a land of giggles and wiggles, there was a tiny dragon named Sparky. Sparky wasn't your average dragon. He had a sneeze that could turn anything into jelly. One day, Sparky sneezed during his flight, and the king's castle became a wobbly jelly fortress. The knights tried to climb it, but they kept slipping and sliding, laughing all the way down. Meanwhile, the king found it hilarious and declared it Jelly Castle Day. The whole kingdom joined in, bouncing and jiggling on the castle walls. Sparky became a hero, not for his fiery breath, but for his jiggly sneezes. And they all bounced happily ever after. The end. So, remember kids, sometimes a little sneeze can bring a whole lot of fun. Stay magical and keep giggling. See you next time.